Hello, I am so excited that you have decided to spend a few minutes of your life here with me. Welcome to the first episode of this channel From Tech to Wood. This episode, I wanted to give you an idea of what this channel is all about. Here I'm going to share my woodworking knowledge with you from a complete beginner's point of view. I come from information technology industry with 29 years of experience behind me. Having raised a global cloud company from ground up, I can say with confidence that I know computers. I cannot say the same thing for woodworking. I only recently fell in love with woodworking after buying a property out in the country. After watching hundreds of YouTube videos on cutting wood, using tools, and many other basic skills, I have realized two things. First, I know nothing of woodworking. And second, there are a lot of ways to do woodworking without owning a lot of tools or proper tools even. The mission in this channel is to share my journey with you and to let you know that anyone can get into woodworking. With a little bit of patience and a little bit of creativity, anybody can create masterpieces without whatever tools you have in your possession. A lot of videos I watched talks about big tools such as planer or jointer or any other big tools. I do not own them, nor does most of the beginner woodworker. I have no doubt that those tools can make life so much easier and make woodworking more fun. But for someone who is not looking forward to building a career out of woodworking, spending a lot of money on those big tools is not the way to go. There are an awful lot of beginner, DIYer, and weekend woodworker. If you are one of them, then this channel is particularly for you. Woodworking for a beginner can get very frustrating. I myself went through that period of frustration. I spent many hours trying to square things up. Sometimes I cut wood which looked square but was way off when I went to join them. I had to figure out how to make the few tools that I do have to do double or triple duty. I do own a 12-year-old rigid table saw besides a circular saw, which made cutting wood much easier. In future videos, I will share with you my mistakes, lessons learned, and must-have tools that I have purchased. Everything you'll see on this channel is my opinion and mine alone. I'm not here to criticize anyone or any technique. I have learned from many people here. YouTube has been instrumental to put me on the right track. And now it is my turn to give back. My promise to you is that I will do my very best to make every minute you spend here worthwhile. I'm not in love with particular brand or even colors. If I promote anything to you, it's only because I have total faith in it. I use it and it has worked for me. All tools that I'll share with you are very much within the budget of any beginner woodworker. If you see I did something wrong or something I could do better, please do let me know. I'm also here to learn from you. If you are a professional woodworker following this channel, please bless us with your wisdom. Let's all learn together. Let's all build our skill instead of building our tool collection. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next episode.